Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna the Tax Goddess. Today I want to talk about Section 181 film credits. Now, there are two versions of film credits. There's film credits for actual production companies. That is not what we're covering in this video. This is the film credits available for investors in productions, okay? So this is specifically for the investors. So if you are a production company, feel free to reach out to us because we know about that too. But this video is specifically for investors. Now, the very first thing that I want to bring up here, there are about 7 or 8 strategies, really big, good strategies for high-earning W-2 individuals. This is one of them. But I do want to bring up that you really need to love the film industry, okay? Some films boom and some films bust. This is like an investment like any other. And of course, I am not an investment advisor. I am a tax strategist. So in this video, we are only going to be covering the tax strategy benefits of using Section 181 film credits to your advantage as an investor. Now, one of the things that I love about being an investor in film is that with many of the film production companies, you can be an active investor or you can be a passive investor. And why is this important? Passive income can only offset passive losses. Those two things go together. Active income can offset active losses. So your active income, which a W-2, high earning W-2, could be offset by active investment into a film. Now you're going to notice that I'm saying that film credits, this is an investment, okay? So yes, there are film credits, but once you are an investor, really what's happening, you are investing in typically a specific film production, and you are actually getting deductions on a K-1. So you are a partner in an investment, deductions on a K-1 that will either be active or passive deductions. Of course, if it's active, you can offset it against your W-2. Now, I do want you to be very cautious about this because really, again, this is an investment. You have to like the investment itself. You have to like the deal. But what we do see very often is that clients will put in, for example, $50,000, $100,000. They will receive, if the film does well, they will receive 120% of their investment and get payouts, of course, quarterly dividends, monthly dividends, however the deal is set up. So I do like film investments if you like film investments, all right? From a tax strategy standpoint, investment film production companies have credits. They are trying to get those credits. They are trying to use those credits. It's typically up to the first $15 million of cost of a film that the production company gets credits for. You as an investor will be getting the deduction, the investment deduction, depreciation, production film costs, those kinds of things against your active and or passive income, okay? So you really want to be very careful about what you're investing in, who you're investing with, and of course, whether it's active or passive, to know whether you can take those deductions against your high wage earning W-2. Side note, if you have passive income, so for example, let's say you have rental properties and you are not a real estate professional, this could also have passive losses. It's one of my favorite things about the film credits, the Section 181, is that you can choose, in many cases, not in all, but in many cases, you can choose whether you have an active investment or a passive investment within the film production. So if you have any question on this tax strategy or any other tax strategy to save you millions of dollars in your taxes over your lifetime, please don't hesitate to reach out to the team and I, taxgoddess.com. You can book an appointment directly with us. We would love to chat with you, see what kinds of deductions and legal above board tax strategies we can help you implement to keep all of this money in your pocket. Talk to you soon. Bye.